All right, today we're going to bring a wireless station. This is actually it's three wireless stations, if you guys can see that. Now, this one works very well with a Samsung or iOS, so it works very well as long as you have the actual wireless connection on your phone. You're able to charge it. Now, this is great to have in parties if you're gonna have an event or anything like that, and people need to charge. Instead of now lending out your cables, this is a great option to just have this in the table. Let everybody know that there's a charging station. They could set up their phones and walk away. So we're gonna test it out, see how well it works. You are gonna need a power adapter, a power cord, okay, an AC power connection, a three-prong connection. Pretty much it's all leather, very good leather, if you guys can see that. And underneath, of course, it has the charging built in. So I'm gonna set it up, and under this thick layer, you can still get good charging, even if you have a case. And I'm gonna prove it to you guys. So I'm gonna set it up here. And this is my Samsung, and it comes with I got a case for it, Samsung Galaxy Ultra 21. All right, and this is the large one, and sometimes you gotta find it, because I do have a case. It's a little bulky, so once you find it, it just pretty much hooks up right there, right? So you have three stations you can set it up through. One, if you guys notice, it just picked up, and I'm gonna put it here, so you gotta pick up again, and then we're gonna set up the other one. This is an iOS phone. This one picks up automatically. You guys can see that. I can move it anywhere you want. And this is another, this is actually the Galaxy Samsung Note 21, all right? So they're all charging already. And if you guys know, it's 39% on this one. This one is a little larger, but it still picks up. And because of the case itself, if you guys can see, it says 100% right now. So I haven't maxed them all out. So easy to set up. Look at this. Plenty of room. And these are large phones I'm using, right? This is an XL, iOS IXL, Apple, and then two Samsung Galaxies, an Ultra, and then a Note. So just so you guys can see. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.